The Election Commission of Pakistan today issued a premature notification. We believe that this is going to be dismissed the minute this case goes into a higher court. Tomorrow, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf Chairman Imran Khan's hearing will be held in the High Court, after which, if needs be, will go to the Supreme Court. Imran Khan has always maintained his faith in the Supreme Court of Pakistan and in the judicial system of Pakistan. We do the same. We know that this case is a frivolous case and will be dismissed the minute it goes to any meaningful higher court. We also believe that Imran Khan's legal team now is being summoned and pressurized by the FIA. Naeem Banjota was kept in FIA offices and was there for about 8 hours, being just asked various questions. Khwaja Haris, one of the most senior lawyers of Pakistan, has been summoned by FIA. There's a new plan. They know that this case is going to be dismissed, like the 200 other cases against him. So now they want to break Imran Khan's legal team and make sure that there's no legal representation left in Pakistan to represent Imran Khan. We will not let this happen. We believe in the judicial system. We believe in our legal system. Thank you.